Did you know that the FBI reports that homeowners are 2.7 times more likely to successfully defend themselves with a shotgun than with a handgun during a home invasion? That's a staggering statistic, and it's one of the reasons why shotguns remain a popular choice for home defense. When it comes to choosing a shotgun for home defense, budget can be a major concern. But don't think for a second that you need to break the bank to get a reliable and effective shotgun. In fact, there are some amazing budget shotguns out there that can provide top-notch protection for you and your family without emptying your wallet. One of the biggest challenges homeowners face when selecting a budget shotgun is finding one that's reliable and effective. Let's face it, you don't want to rely on a shotgun that's going to jam or malfunction when you need it most. Another challenge is finding a shotgun that's easy to handle and maneuver, especially in tight spaces like hallways and stairwells. And of course, there's the issue of over-penetration. You don't want your shotgun to blast through walls and put innocent bystanders at risk. Finally, there's the problem of finding a shotgun that's affordable without sacrificing quality. It's a delicate balance to strike. When you're shopping for a budget shotgun, it's easy to get caught up in the specs and features, but at the end of the day, what matters most is how the shotgun performs in real-world scenarios. That's why it's so important to do your research, read reviews, and talk to experts before making a decision. So, what are the top budget shotguns for home defense? Let's dive in and take a look. The Remington 870 Express is a classic choice for home defense. Known for its reliability and ease of use, this shotgun has been a favorite among homeowners for decades. It features a solid steel receiver and twin action bars for smooth operation. The 870 Express is also highly customizable, allowing you to add various accessories to suit your needs. The Mossberg Maverick 88 is another excellent budget option. It offers a durable construction with dual extractors and twin action bars for reliable performance. The Maverick 88 is also compatible with many Mossberg 500 accessories, making it a versatile choice for home defense. The Stoeger P3000 is a powerful and impactful shotgun that offers great value for its price. It features a rugged design with a rotating bolt head and dual action bars for smooth cycling. The P3000 is also known for its excellent ergonomics, making it comfortable to handle during stressful situations. The Winchester SXP Defender is renowned for its speed and reliability. It features an inertia-assisted action that allows for rapid follow-up shots. The SXP Defender also has a durable synthetic stock and forearm, making it a robust choice for home defense. The Citadel RSS-1 is a standout option for those looking for a semi-automatic shotgun. It offers a high-capacity magazine and a gas-operated system for reduced recoil. The RSS-1 is also equipped with adjustable sights and a Picatinny rail for mounting optics, making it a versatile and effective choice for home defense. So, what makes the Citadel RSS-1 stand out from the competition? For starters, it's one of the most affordable shotguns on the list, with a price point that's hard to beat. But it's not just about the price. The RSS-1 is also incredibly reliable, with a smooth action and minimal recoil. It's also easy to handle, making it perfect for homeowners who may not have a lot of experience with shotguns. And with its compact design, it's easy to store and maneuver in tight spaces. In conclusion, selecting the right budget shotgun for home defense is crucial for keeping you and your family safe. By doing your research and considering factors like reliability, effectiveness, and affordability, you can find a shotgun that meets your needs without breaking the bank. Remember, home defense is serious business. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Don't miss out on exclusive content. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of responsible firearm owners today.